Imagine your grandmother inviting you into a sun-washed kitchen on a tiny Mediterranean island, ladling soup that smells like fennel and fresh herbs. She swears everyone in the village lives past 90, and science backs her up. Today, we're cooking 3 authentic, ridiculously simple grandma dishes from the world's blue zones, regions where people routinely hit a healthy 100. No powders, no pricey superfoods, just real meals that taste like comfort and quietly extend your lifespan. Welcome to WellBoost, the channel that turns cutting-edge longevity research into recipes you'll actually crave. In the next 10 minutes, you'll meet the blue zones and learn why their food keeps people young. Cook along step by step through 3 classic grandma meals, pared down for busy modern kitchens. Hear the science behind each ingredient so every bite feels purposeful as well as delicious. Grab your wooden spoon, let's make longevity taste like home-cooked love. 1. Sardinian Longevity Minestrone. Story in a ladle. Ask any Sardinian nonna what keeps their shepherd spry at 95, and she'll point to the bubbling pot on the stove. This rustic minestrone is eaten almost daily in the Barbagia Highlands, one of the planet's rare super longevity pockets. Ingredients serves for 1 large yellow onion, diced. 2 carrots, sliced. Tuna rib celery, sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup dry white beans, or 1 can, rinsed. 1 cup fava beans or chickpeas. 1 cup diced tomatoes, boxed or fresh. 1 small wedge cabbage, shredded. 1 medium fennel bulb, chopped, including fronds. 6 cups water or vegetable stock. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon dried rosemary. 1 bay leaf, salt, and cracked black pepper. How Grandma Rosa does it. Warm olive oil in a heavy pot, sauté onion, carrot, celery 5 minutes. Stir in garlic, rosemary, and bay until fragrant. Add soaked beans, tomatoes, and stock. Simmer 1 hour, 25 minutes if using canned. Fold in cabbage and fennel. Cook 15 minutes more until everything is tender. Finished with a drizzle of olive oil and a grind of pepper. Serve with sourdough heel for dipping. Longevity lens. Beans every day, Sardinians average at least a cup of legumes daily, fiber that feeds gut microbes linked to lower inflammation. Fennel plus tomatoes, bursting with quercetin and lycopene, antioxidants shown to reduce cardiovascular risk. Olive oil phenols, improve HDL function and keep arteries springy. Eat a bowl for lunch and you've nailed the blue zone trifecta: plant protein, complex carbs, heart-healthy fat. 2 Okinawan sweet potato and miso Nourish bowl. Purple fuel of a Pacific matriarch. In rural Okinawa, grandmothers still tend kitchen gardens filled with stunning purple sweet potatoes, called beni-imo. These tubers supplied up to 60% of wartime calories and are credited with the island's record-setting centenarian rate. Ingredients. Serves 2 large bowls. 2 medium purple or orange sweet potatoes scrubbed and cubed. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil. 1 cup edamame, shelled, frozen. 2 cups bok choy or spinach, sliced. 1 tablespoon white or yellow miso paste. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. Half tablespoon soy sauce or tamari. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. 1 sliced scallion. Grandma Mitsuko's 15-minute method. Steam or microwave sweet potato cubes until tender, about 8 minutes. While they cook, whisk miso, ginger, vinegar, soy, and 2 tablespoons warm water into a silky dressing. In a skillet, heat sesame oil, wilt greens 1 minute, then toss in edamame just to warm through. Arrange sweet potato, greens, and edamame in bowls. Spoon over miso dressing. Sprinkle sesame seeds and scallions. Longevity lens. Sweet potato anthocyanins fight oxidative damage more potently than blueberries. Soy phytoestrogens from edamame help preserve bone density and skin elasticity. Miso's fermented probiotics improve gut immune dialogue, crucial as we age. Bright, savory, and naturally gluten-free, this bowl proves plant food can feel indulgent. 3. Nicoyan black bean and plantain skillet. Tropical wisdom from Costa Rican abuelas. On the Nicoya Peninsula, elders start the day with black beans and finish it the same way, often alongside sweet plantains and corn tortillas. The verdict? some of the lowest middle-age mortality rates on Earth. Ingredients: serves 3-4. 1 tablespoon coconut or avocado oil. 1 ripe plantain, peeled and sliced on the bias. 1 small red onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ground cumin. 1 tablespoon dried oregano. 2 cups cooked black beans, or 1 can, rinsed. Half cup water or bean broth. Juice of half lime. Handful fresh cilantro, chopped. Pinch of sea salt. How Grandma Maria keeps it simple. Warm oil in a wide skillet. Fry plantain slices until golden. Set aside. In same pan, sauté onion until translucent. Add garlic, cumin, oregano. Tip in black beans and water. Simmer 5 minutes to marry flavors. Return plantains, splash lime juice, sprinkle cilantro, season to taste. Serve with warm corn tortillas. Longevity lens. Black bean-resistant starch moderates blood sugar and nurtures butyrate-producing gut bacteria. Plantain potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Cumin plus oregano deliver polyphenols that tame post-meal oxidative stress. 1 skillet, 10 minutes, and you're channeling Costa Rica's happiest grandmothers. Why grandma's cooking outperforms modern diet hacks. Legumes over protein powders. Slow digesting carbs and fiber keep insulin low and satiety high. Herbs, not salt bombs. Fresh aromatics add flavor while delivering anti-inflammatory compounds. Seasonal, local, unprocessed. Minimal packaging means maximal nutrient density and lower environmental load. Remember, longevity isn't a single nutrient. It's the orchestra of whole foods, eaten socially, often homegrown, always savored. 5-minute grocery checklist. Before you dash to the store, screenshot this quick list. Dry or canned white beans and black beans. Fava beans or chickpeas. Sweet potatoes, purple if possible. Plantain, ripe, yellow with black spots. Leafy greens, bok choy, spinach, cabbage, fennel. Aromatics, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, ginger. Pantry. Miso paste. Olive oil, sesame oil, coconut or avocado oil, cumin, oregano, rosemary, bay leaf, soy sauce, rice vinegar. Fresh herbs, cilantro, scallions. Tomatoes, lime, extra virgin olive oil. Master these staples and you can rotate endless blue zone variations without recipe fatigue. Habit layer, turning recipes into routine. Batch cook beans on Sunday, freeze in flat zip bags for instant use. Adopt a soup of the week, a pot of minestrone in the fridge guarantees easy plant protein lunches. Swap breakfast 2x week with the black bean and plantain skillet wrapped in a corn tortilla. You'll hit fiber goals before 9 a.m. Tiny shifts, done consistently, age-proof your body far better than occasional detox gimmicks. Which grandmother's kitchen are you most excited to visit through your taste buds? Sardinia, Okinawa, or Nicoyan? Type the name of the recipe you'll cook first in the comments. And if you have a treasured family dish that fits the Blue Zone vibe, share it below. We might feature it in a future episode. You don't need a plane ticket or a miracle supplement to tap into the longevity secrets of the world's healthiest elders. Just ladle minestrone, roast sweet potatoes, sizzle plantains, and eat slowly with people you love. If this video filled your kitchen with inspiration, hit the like button. It helps more future centenarians find us. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss next week's episode. Morning rituals from the Blue Zones. 5 tiny habits to add a decade. Until then, keep boosting well, keep cooking like grandma, and keep living like every birthday is just the appetizer.